Hey, you guys, just wanted to give you an update on what I did. Look at the table. Oh, my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. Everything's looking nice and looking nice. Okay, all right. Look at that. And we're going over here. Ooh, wee. Look at that. Few dishes. That's all right. It's better than what it used to be. Mama Rose, unfiltered. 2080. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Just perfect. Look at that. Well, I just wanted to give you guys that update. Say goodnight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I know, right? I'm crazy. But don't forget, share, like, subscribe. If these videos have helped in any way to let you know that you are not alone in your uncluttered or your cluttered life. Yep, look at that. Don't forget, Mama Rose Unfiltered 2080. Deuces.